Hey guys, Dama here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on my delicious homemade iced coffee that I love so much. I'm going to be showing you guys a little tour of my little coffee station. So we will be moving from location from my beauty room into my kitchen. So I'll be showing you guys all the ingredients you're gonna need, my coffee maker, all that good stuff, and just how I make my coffee. As always, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I post videos every Sunday, so go ahead and also hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a video. And if you want to keep up with me during the week, you can always follow me on Instagram at DamaLexBeauty and we can keep up there. But without further ado, let's just get into this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so as you see here, this is my cute little coffee station. So I figured I might as well give you a quick tour. This is my coffee station right here. So I keep my brown sugar here, white sugar here, my coffee in here. This is for my boyfriend. He takes his coffee to go in these little cups. We always buy more from like Walmart or Target or Publix, wherever. And then I like to keep my favorite little Starbucks tumbler here. It was a limited edition I got I think like 2-3 Christmases ago. It's like it's pretty scratched up because it's kind of old already, but I love it. And over here, oh, I gotta put this one away. I use it whenever I want to have hot coffee. This was a gift from my cousin. She gave it to me. It's a Central Perk. If you like Friends, then you know totally what this is about. And I absolutely love this mug. So I had it here this morning because I was considering hot coffee, and then I changed my mind and decided I want iced coffee instead. And this cup, it's here on and off. It says, "Don't let today be a waste of makeup." It's one of my favorite mugs. I guess since we're here, I'll show you another of my favorite mugs, and it's the super cute clear mug. You can't see the detail very well, but it's actually shaped like a heart in here. And I love this to drink my tea or even coffee because you can put hot or cold in this mug. And let me put this cup away. So this right here is my precious coffee maker. I have the Ninja Specialty coffee maker, and I got this one at Target for $179, I believe, and I love it. I love it because I can do pretty much anything I want in here. I can make lattes, Americanos. I like making chai lattes, vanilla coffee, salted caramel. Pretty much anything you can think of, you can make in here. It even has a little frother you can pull on the side, and I love it because it's a little hideaway. So it fits perfectly in my space when I put it away. And then it has all of these features. Like I could pretty much pick for how many people I'm making coffee. Like a cup, an extra large cup, to travel, extra large. So the coffee maker comes with its piece here, which is perfect if for the settings you were trying to make either half or full of these, like for a whole family. I feel like I'm giving much more information you probably guys don't care about. Maybe you do, I don't know. I just want to give you enough info. Okay, and then we can choose whether we want classic, rich, over ice, or specialty. It also has a button to clean itself, and its power button. These buttons are just to set the time, and these are like if you want to keep the coffee warm, you would press the stay warm button, and the little piece right here will keep your coffee warm. So like let's say you made coffee for a lot of people, you can turn that piece on and it'll keep it warm as people come get their coffee. And then you can delay the brew, which I think it just makes it a little more concentrate. I've never used this button, but I've kind of played with everything else. So I like it because it has this space where you can put your bigger cups in there. And then if you put this piece down, then you can put a smaller mug there. So something like this. Okay, so now that you have kind of like the background on my machine, first and foremost, like in every Hispanic household, you must have some Café Bustelo. I absolutely love it. It's the only coffee we purchase here at my house. And then my creamer of choice is the French Vanilla International Delight, or I will have the Caramel Macchiato Creamer the Starbucks one. You can pick those up like at Publix or Walmart, as well as this one. I'm currently out of the caramel one, so I'm going to use this one today. Now the next thing you will need is sugar. I am in between these two sweeteners. I either use Splenda, and I'll use like 1 pack, half of it really, not even the whole thing, because I am not huge on sugar. Like I like sweet, but not super sweet. Or I will use the sugar-free vanilla syrup by Tarani. And I buy the small one. I think they have a big one, but I always buy the small one. So these are kind of the items you need. And lastly, I like using my mason jar and my cute little straw to serve my coffee, and ice. You will need ice. So those are all the ingredients. So now that we know what we need, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is you want to make sure there's enough water in here. So as you can see, mine has enough water for an extra large traveling mug, which would be kind of the 14 ounce, which is a little below this one, because I think this one's like 16. But because we're going to be using this little mason jar, it's more like considered the extra large cup option right here. Okay, so I went ahead and filled my mason jar with ice. You want to fill it basically to the top, just as I did, and then you want to go ahead and add it here. Initially, when I go to start it, we all close the drip. Okay, so when you are ready, you pull this piece out to add the coffee. Also, I forgot to show you guys, it has its hidden little scooper here as well, which is my favorite part. I can't believe I forgot to show you. I'm gonna go ahead and add the coffee. I like to do 1 scoop and a half type of thing, because it kind of comes out pretty concentrated. So you close this out, you turn the power on, then you choose your setting. As you guys can see, like I'm kind of covering it, but the light will go up as I spin it. But in my case, I choose the extra large cup. So I must open the drip and then select over ice. And it takes a minute to load, but it does its work. There it is. You can close the drip and hit power. Smells delicious. Okay, and this is what the coffee looks like. It is super dark, and it is already cold. Feels perfect. Okay, I kind of added like a splash. The amount, it's probably a 1/4 cup or a little bit underneath that. I like my coffee to be light, like a caramel color. For today's purposes, I'm going to use the sugar-free vanilla syrup, because as I said, if I use the Splenda, about 1/3 of the pack. So if I use the syrup, I kind of do the same thing, which is a splash, but it's really almost like the equivalent of a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon. I just say don't get too crazy. Mix it all first, taste it, see how you like it, and if anything, then add more. But for me, like I already know this is perfect because this is how I like it. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little taste. Perfection. I love it. Alrighty guys, so there you have it. This is how I make my homemade delicious iced coffee. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy your coffee. Cheers.